Hello, Mal. Hello, Moondreamer. Hi, Rubicon. What brings you over here? I just thought I'd come for a visit. Is that okay? We like seeing you, but, well, you know, it's just that it's gonna rain. At least that's what the weather guy says. I always, you know, I don't like being out in the rain, so. Oh, yeah, I did hear it would be a slight chance of showers. I don't really need a shower. You do seem pretty clean. Thank you. What I hear, these are no ordinary showers. What do you mean by that? I don't know. It just sounded weird to me. But it's such a nice sunny Ow! Ow! Huh? What's going on? What was that? Hmm? What? Ah! It's a bridal shower! Run, Rubicon! Safety. What now? I'm not sure you'd believe me if I told you. I've been living next to you for quite some time now. Try me. What was falling out of the sky? I don't know. It sounded weird. I'm just gonna smooch you. My door's missing.